Hey guys, want to take a minute and record a little video, tell you hi, and kind of walk you through what your assignment for the week is. I've noticed that the amount of you participating in online learning has decreased over the last few weeks, so hoping this motivates some of y'all to get back to it, get back to work, get the 2 assignments done that you're required to do for the week. I just want to kind of show you how easy it can be. So let's look over here at your Google Classroom. The classwork for the week of April 27th, that's where we're at now. Starting with required activity 1, it is all about vertex form of a parabola. So I'm going to kind of walk you through what you're expected to do here. The warm-up, just recall the vocabulary for vertex, line of symmetry, the maximum and minimum. Opens, this is whether it opens up like a U or opens down like a upside down U, I guess. And then what the zeros and roots are. That's just the vocabulary for it. The explore and practice part, you are watching these 2 videos. One is all about vertex form and what its meaning is. So I'm not going to go through the whole video, but of course there's an ad. No, I'm not going to watch the video, but it walks you through how to set up an equation in vertex form. And the other one sets up how to convert from vertex form into standard form. So those 2 videos. And then you have a practice activity. Let's go look at that. The practice activities do not necessarily need to get turned into me. They are just for practice. You're more than welcome to turn them into me. I'll go through and look and make sure you're doing things right. But we've kind of changed to simplify all the assignments. You're only required to turn in or submit one piece, and that should be this bottom, this assignment at the very bottom. So everything else is just practice to kind of guide you through how to learn the material. Here we are just converting, I think it's 4 problems into standard form, 3 problems actually. Just do it on a sheet of notebook paper, scratch paper, or whatever. And then they give you the answers at the end to check your work and kind of walk you through what to do. So it's just for practice. And then there are some other videos that may help if you need help, and then a little summary of what you learned there. The next part is a Desmos activity. It's got another video on how to find the equation of a quadratic given only a point and a vertex. So you're finding the vertex form of a quadratic equation. Go to my link, join the class code, make sure you're signed in so it shows your name. Then you just go through these 9 slides. You'll need scratch paper. You'll need to use the stuff you learned previously in the video to confirm your parabola goes through the points that they're supposed to go through. This is 9 slides long, but it's not 9 full problems. Slide 1 here gives you the information to do the problem. I guess you'll work it on a sheet of notebook paper. Type your equation in here that you get. Slide 2 just asks you to confirm your equation in here. Not sure if you'll get to see other people's answers or a few like sample answers from other students if you type yours in. I don't think so. Well, let's see. Y equals, I'm going to put in a wrong answer. 7x squared. It's definitely the wrong answer. Don't copy that. Oh, explain your thinking. So you don't get to see other people's answers. You just explain why you got 7x. So it's wrong. Slide 3 then walks you through the process on how to do it. So if you didn't do it, or if you're not sure how to do it, or you didn't learn from the videos earlier, this just sort of guides you through, again, the process that it takes to do that, how to find that A that goes into your vertex form. And then we start over on slide 4. There's another problem. What's your equation? Explain your thinking, and then it kind of gives you the answer so you can tell if you're right. 7 is another problem. give me your answer, and then check and see if you're right. So it's really only 3 problems. The assignment part down here is what will actually get turned in to me. So we're going to make a copy. There we go. The first 4 problems you are converting from Vertex Form into standard form. So we actually learned this back in class however many weeks ago. It's been so long. You will start by foiling the part that's being squared, then distribute if there is a number out here, which number 1 there's not, but 2, 3, and 4 there is a number out here that you need to distribute by. And then you'll combine like terms with the constant at the end. So just on scratch paper, work it out, and then type your answer in here. It does tell you how you'll type your answers in. If you go to Insert, Equation, you'll be able to type the squared stuff and all that. So y equals x. Where's the squared? Shift 6 again does your squared, just like you're used to on Desmos. So 4 problems there. Problem 5, 6, and 7 is where you are. I'm gonna fix my camera. It's a little high. Problem 5, 6, and 7 is where you take the vertex and a given point and create the vertex form of an equation. So there's a video that walks you through how to do that. You'll plug in the h and k and the x and y, and then have to solve for a to find the a, then go back and plug the a, h, and k into the equation. So 5, 6, and 7, that's 7 problems. That's what you will turn into me. Do not share it with me. Go attach it to your Google Classroom assignment when you're done. I'm still doing the Wednesday Google Hangouts. If you have any questions, come in, ask me, I'll get them answered. This week we're going to do it a little bit different. The school, Kerr, wants to increase participation in those Google Hangouts. So rather than just you coming in, answering or getting a question answered and then going, I'm actually going to go through this whole assignment and kind of walk you through how to do some of the equations, work some of these problems with you, and just have a camera on my paper that I'm doing, or somehow you'll be able to see what I'm working out. So if you haven't done this assignment yet by Wednesday, come to the Google Hangout. I'll walk you through how to do it there. And if you're there, your name gets added into a raffle to win some sort of prizes. I'll send out information to your Remind and Google Classroom of that, the details for that, probably Wednesday morning. So hope you guys can get this done. Oh, that's only the first assignment. What am I doing? Let's go out of here, out of here. The second assignment is your Dreambox. So if you haven't done any of this, which I've noticed some of y'all are not doing Dreambox, you'll go to clever.com, log in with your Google normal Gmail account. Dreambox is down here. And once you get on Dreambox, you will do 10 assignments there. I have noticed, I'm going to give y'all a little break here, it's taking y'all longer than, well, not I thought, because I didn't set this, the district set this, but it's taking the students who are doing all 10 assignments, it's taking them longer than the 40 minutes that each assignment is supposed to be. So I would be happy to see you guys do 5 assignments on Dreambox. It looks like that would take you about 30 to 40 minutes, which is what we want. A lot of the students who are doing all 10 assignments is taking them over an hour, sometimes an hour and a half. So I don't want you spending all that much time on Dreambox. 40 minutes is our goal for a lesson. So if you can get 5 assignments done in 40 minutes, that would be perfect. The optional assignment here is all about factoring. This is the one that I created. The whole district were rotating in and out, creating these lessons between algebra and geometry. So Q's and STEAM and Realm created some of these. This is one that I created. It's all a review of factoring or unfoiling. We learned the Xbox method. This is walking through a little bit different of a method. We had to do it one way. The Xbox way is kind of the way I've always done it. This is a little easier way if you're doing it not in person, all digital. So it's a little different. You'll learn something here. The reason we're reviewing factoring this week is because next week's required assignment is all about solving using the factoring method. So it's good review to learn how to factor, because next week you'll be factoring a lot. So there's a video that walks you through foiling if you forgot how to do it, specifically using this box method. Excuse me. Another 2 examples walking you through how to factor using this box method, and then 6 problems here, and you'll submit this on Google Classroom with the assignment. That is all 3 of your assignments for the week. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. As always, email me with any questions. I can help you, or pop into the Google Hangout Wednesday at supposed to be 1. It might get changed to 1:30. I'll keep you posted. And then Friday we do another one at 1:30 to 2. So you can come in and ask us questions there. Let me know what I can do to help you guys out. Thanks.